You can see here. So many projects are launching now on this platform instead of Pinksel or instead of DXL or instead of Unicrypt. So this is a really new and really hype presale platform. There is no bot at all yet on this platform, so that's why I make one, and I will show you how it works. So these bots have several features. So we first select the network we want, so on BSC. So I set up my bot with 3 wallets because the bot is multi-wallet, so that means you can enter the presale with multiple wallets. So about the action we can do, we have the auto snipe presale. So that means when the presale will start, the bot will detect it and will send the transaction a little before, so you will be able to contribute in the first block of the presale. So for the very high presale, it's very important to send a little before. You also have the manual snipe presale if you want to press enter to send the contribution. You have claim token. So claim token is also auto claim token actually. That means you can auto claim the token as soon as it's possible. Then you can also approve token on Pancakeswap, sell token on Pancakeswap, and you have also an extra feature which is group token. So if you don't want to sell immediately, you can, if you want, group the token into the same wallet before to sell them. So let's see how it works. I will show you, for example, the auto snipe presale. So here we just have to enter the presale contract address. So I will take one which is not started yet, like this one, which is starting in 2 days, maybe a bit too long. This one is starting in 7 hours. So we will do with this one. We just have to copy, paste, enter. That's all. And then the bot will detect, so the time of the start, and then it will also show a countdown. So actually you can leave the bot like this and it will auto snipe even if you are sleeping. So I will cancel this one because we will not wait for 7 hours, but I will show you how it works on a live presale now with the manual snipe presale. So let's close this one. Let's open again. Let's see one. Let's sell live. Okay, this one is live. So we just have to press enter. Then we go to manual snipe because this one is already live, so we can manually snipe. We copy paste the presale address, enter. Then now the token name appears just for the confirmation, and we have to press enter to file the transaction. So when we want to fire, we just press enter and done. And all the 3 transactions are sent. And we just have to wait and snipe confirm. So we have all 3 contributions have been done. So we can also check with the TX link. I will copy them in the description of the video if you want to check on BSC Scam. So after we can also claim the token as we see before, approve token, sell token, and group token. So if you want this bot, you can contact me here on the Discord or here on the Telegram. I will also put this contact address in the description of the video. We also have a very big community of users for all the bots we have. So we have Chain Sniper bot, which is a sniper for the launch. We have Pixel bot, DXL bot, Unicrypt bot, Gempad bot, API bot, Binance bot. We have also alerts for trading. If you are interested also in CX trading, we have alerts 24 hours. We have a private section for each bot. So while we share many advice and token to snipe, so all of this is included with the bot. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was not too long, and I will try to make more and more shorter. Thank you. Happy presale. Bye bye.